When comparing the TP-Link Archer C6 and Archer C80, both are solid budget routers, but they have some differences in terms of features and performance. Here's a breakdown. None are of RORS, TP-Link Archer C6. Wi-Fi standard. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC. Speeds. 2.4 GHz, up to 300 megabits per second, 5 GHz, up to 867 megabits per second. Antennas. 4 external antennas, non-detachable. Ethernet ports. 4 gigabit LAN ports plus 1 gigabit, 1 port. mu-MIMO. Support. Yes, supports mu-MIMO for better simultaneous connection handling. Beamforming. Yes. Security. WPA2 encryption. Price. Generally more affordable than the Archer C80. Other features. Compatible with TP-Link's Tether app for easy setup and management. Suitable for medium to large homes with moderate traffic. TP-Link Archer C80. Wi-Fi standard. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC. Speeds. 2.4 GHz, up to 400 megabits per second. 5 GHz, up to 867 megabits per second. Antennas. 4 external antennas, non-detachable. Ethernet ports. 4 gigabit LAN ports plus 1 gigabit, 1 port. mu-MIMO support. Yes, similar to the Archer C6, it supports mu-MIMO. Beamforming. Yes. Security. WP2 encryption, same as the C6. Price. Slightly more expensive than the Archer C6. Other features. More advanced QoS. Quality of service for prioritizing certain devices or types of traffic. Same easy setup with the TP-Link Tether app. Key differences. 1. Wi-Fi speeds. The Archer C80 offers slightly faster speeds on the 2.4 GHz band, 400 megabits per second versus 300 megabits per second on the C6. Price. The Archer C80 tends to be priced a bit higher due to its improved features. 3-point quality of service. QoS. The C80 has more refined QoS settings, which allows better control over bandwidth distribution. 4th. Design. Both routers feature external antennas, but there may be slight differences in design aesthetics and layout. Which to choose? If you need a budget-friendly option for a smaller home with moderate internet use, browsing, streaming, the Archer C6 is a solid option. If you're looking for a bit more performance, particularly with handling multiple devices or traffic-heavy activities like gaming or 4K streaming, the Archer C80 Mall could be a better choice. Both routers offer good value, but the Archer C80 is a step up in terms of performance and features.